Accidentally deleted an important email in Gmail and now can't find it anywhere? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you exactly how to recover deleted emails in Gmail step by step. Whether you want to recover deleted mail from trash or even recover permanently deleted emails in Gmail after 30 days, this guide will help you. First, open Gmail and go to the trash folder from the left sidebar. Gmail usually keeps deleted emails in trash for up to 30 days before permanently deleting them. If you found your email there, simply right-click it, click Move To and restore it back to your inbox. This is the easiest way to restore deleted mail from trash in Gmail and get deleted trash mail back quickly. If you still can't find the email, use Gmail search bar to search for the sender's name, subject line or keywords from the message. Sometimes email are archived instead of deleted, so also check folders like spam, promotions, social and all mail. You can even type search filters like in to find Gmail deleted emails faster. On Android or iPhone, open the Gmail app, tap the menu icon, go to Trash, open the deleted mail, tap the three dots and select Move to restore it. This is one of the fastest ways to recover deleted emails from trash in Gmail using mobile devices. Now, if the email is no longer inside trash, then it may have been permanently deleted. In that case, you can try Google's official Gmail message recovery tool. Open the recovery page, sign into your account and follow the instructions. This method may help recover permanently deleted Gmail emails caused by accidental deletion, hacking or syncing problems. However, recovery is not always guaranteed, especially if more than 30 days have passed. Many users search for recover deleted emails Gmail more than 30 days, but unfortunately, Gmail permanently removes emails from its servers after that period, unless backup exists. To avoid losing emails in the future, it's better to archive important emails instead of deleting them, create backups, and use Gmail labels to organize messages safely. If this video helped you recover deleted emails from Gmail, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.